Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the July postcard play hosted by Carrie Griffiths, who is Carrie the Crafter. And we are to use jelly prints, and I'm using one of my jelly prints that I made a while back and decorate it and make a postcard. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. So let's see what we have. I kind of want to go with using these Tim Holt pictures. I thought they went nice, especially the colorization part going with the background. And I'm just going to add a few elements onto it to decorate. I like that. This is looks like washi tape, but it came from my cut and collage book that I like to use. Let's see, I want to just add a few elements here. Maybe something like that. I've got my 9. I will circle that 9. And maybe put that. I've got the stamps, so let's see. Maybe I could put the stamps like that. Add in my 19, or which will be my 9. I ought to save it for 19, shouldn't I? And these are just Tim Holtz pieces. I don't want to totally cover up my jelly print, so I am liking that. I did not distress these this time. Oh yeah, I'd like to add that to the background too. So let me give these a distress right quick. And we'll go from there. I really ought to save that. I may do that. I think I will save that for number 19 and see if I can find another number that I can use. Basically just want to get rid of that edge. All right. Now let me see what my numbers are. I didn't get that one. There's a 9, but I really don't want to use that. There's a 9. Nothing says it has to be huge. I'll keep that out because I may use a 1 and a 0 for 10. And that won't cover up so much of the jelly print and such. Okay. Now I have these stickers and I like that. So I'll just cut off just a little piece. And I'll just add those to the background. Here up in the corner. The good thing about these is you can still see the jelly print behind it, but you just get a little bit of extra something. Okay. Now I know I want that this way. I'll have to clip off the corners, but I want to make sure I get down all of my elements. So you find my art glitter glue. I hope everybody's doing great. I really just kind of jumped in here, didn't I? I'm doing pretty good. I finally finished my Janet Ivanovich book, Dirty 30, and it ended up with a cliffhanger. This one was very, very slow for some reason. Let's see. I mean, I'm glad I read it, but yeah, I was ready for it to be done. Let's see, get this on there now. My glue is giving me fits this week. I may need to fill it up. I need some stainless steel pens. I haven't been able to find them. Okay. There we go. Now I can add my airmail. Go, and I like these flowers. I really enjoy doing these collages because it just comes together so neatly. I just kind of look around and see what I have and remember something I haven't used. Like I haven't had these very long. They were part of my birthday gifts, so I haven't used much of them. Thinking maybe something like that. I don't know about the stamps. They seem kind of blended in. Maybe just add that. I do like that. I think I'm going to go with that. Maybe just barely have it touching. Maybe one. I think it shows a little bit better there. Okay, why not? All right. So now I want to do my corners. And there's gold splatters in the background, and then I've got the gold up here. So this was one time I don't think I'm gonna do the gold splatters. I have to cut that sticker edge off. sneak around it. Oh, and I need to trim those little corners off. Just a tad. Just the very slightest corners there. There. And I will go around the back. All right. Well, there she is. I'm happy with how it turned out. I hope you are as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Be sure and check out Carrie Griffith's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag GelyPostcardPlay, and that's spelled Jely. So until next time, bye y'all.